Here we are at Flamingo Land, here in North Yorkshire, Malton. I'm here with Jackson and Naomi. So we're going to give you a quick view. In fact, I'm allowed to do some filming on ride today. We're going to give you a view on how Parent Swap works and everything here. And what I've been told is you go up to the exit and tell them, oh, we're going to do Parent Swap, and then they one queues up while the other one, when you get to the so I've left Naomi and Jackson Saturday at exit, and we're going to give this beauty a try. First ride of the day, Hero. Oh, you enjoyed that?
Yeah,
enjoyed
good.
that? Yeah. Not my favourite ride.
When it turns round, you think, oh my goodness, I'm going to come out, don't you?
Yeah. I thought, shall I let go or not?
I
wasn't too sure.
No, I thought no.
Let's go to the bakery. Sorry, walking across in front of you. So it's got its own bakery here. We're going to go see whether they've got anything to eat in here. Oh, here we go. I love you, Jackson. Love you, Nay. Remember you always. You ready, Em? Here we go. That was silly. That was proper wet. That's proper wet. That was good fun though.
I'm gonna go down.
Oh,
I'm gonna go down.
we're not going there. Not at the moment. That was good fun.
Look how wet I am.
There you go.
Soggy pocket.
There's a little bit of footage of ride at Lost River Ride. Jackson, you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Naomi, you enjoy that? I think it was wet in the toilet way. It's only got one way. What do you think? For one wave as well, so a lot of water. You see a lot of animals as you're going around, so yeah, good fun.
Look how wet I am. That's how you get wet.
So we're going to try and get the coasters done. We've done one so far, Hero, which I didn't enjoy.
Oh, look at
No, you enjoyed it? Little tortoise down there. Yeah, got a little train that goes round. And there's a little go-gator that you have to be under a certain size to go on. We're too big. So it's a +1 for Jackson, not for us. It's in the corners, does it? It hurts. His face is a picture. So that's Twistosaurus. They've also got flight of pterodactyl or something, which is Starfly. I won't be doing that today. And we're going to go and find some more roller coasters. Then we'll walk down this way. So Jason's got 4 more today. 3 more today. And we got another 7. Can we do it in a space of 5.5 hours? And off we go down to go to Sick. Oh, look at that steam. Yeah. Oh my god, that feels like you're coming out. There it goes, last one. Oh! Woo! Wow, that's good, Bob. Keep waving. No, it's not going yet. Wave! Hands in the air. Woo! There you go, velocity, it's alright. Yeah. Give this big boy a go.
Arms and legs inside the carriage.
Whee! Credit 150 for me. Oh my goodness! Imagine being at the back on that. So I'm on my way up to 200 now. In the 151. Oh wow, go over the roof.
This one?
This one.
I'll wait till you've done it.
Hands in the air.
Oh my god!
Oh! Yeah, Mum's looking forward to second that. You enjoying this?
Falling off a log. Oh no, that sounds dangerous, and I'm really going to think.
So we just had something to eat in the Metropolis Bar and Grill. You had a salad, didn't you? It was quite nice. Jackson had pizza and chips, and I had a massive burger. It was delicious. Not too badly priced either. We actually spent less in there than we did when we ate in York yesterday, so not a bad price and good quality as well.
Oh, I do miss him, you know.
Right, so this is mine and Nay's 8th coaster here today. We've had a bit of lunch, we've done parent swap, got on the kiddies coaster, so it's our 8th coaster. After this one, we've just got Mumbo Jumbo. Oh, looks like quite a long queue. Nice SLC. Give this a go. Quite surprised we've got this many coasters done so far. Yeah, it's been really good fun actually. Not too bad. You've got to be 1.3 to go on here. So here we go. 4 foot 3. 30-minute wait. So it must be the zoo all over in that bit. So how much can we see? It's got red pandas and stuff. Lemurs. Saw some tigers earlier. And it has got an elephant. Down in the lake. Bit of a headbanger that one. That was good. Glad they've got these bits on the side. Yeah, quite a nice little ride. Enjoyed that. So going to go on Mumbo Jumbo now. 30-minute wait. See you in a bit. Give this little baby a go. Yeah, all the rides here are quite close together. Yeah, so good park actually. I wouldn't say it's a theme park, I'd say it's a park. I'd say it's a zoo with some rides by the side of it. So, yeah, but it's nice though. Staff are fantastic. So give this little Mumbo Jumbo ride. Whoa!
I got one of my ice cream.
Got your ice cream.
And I got a toy.
Toy.
And
What?
I hope you like this video.
And
Subscribe and a like. If you want to go in here and watch my channel, and I'll give you a pop badge.
no, you
See
can't
you
say
next
that.
time.
You can't hear me. We can't send out pop badge to everyone, but what a fantastic.
Some people can.
Some people will. But thank you very much to Flamingo Land for allowing me to film on ride and allowing us to have such a great day.
I wanted the car.
But it's a
fantastic. Over there.
Yeah. Oh, sick. Yeah. Yeah. What a great ride that is. A fantastic ride. So you've got a fantastic, probably one of the best rides in the country, next to Hero. So there we go. But no, Flamingo Land, absolutely fantastic park. Great value for money. The entertainment was great. The staff were fantastic. Even it's not bad value for food either for theme parks. So yeah, absolutely brilliant. And thanks again to Andy Everett, if I said that right, and his team here for allowing us to film and ride. Thank you so much. And if you like this video,
subscribe and like. Next time, if you want to come here, subscribe again. 2 months.